In this extensive exploration, we delve into the top 5 biggest cricket stadiums in the world, highlighting their history, capacity, architectural design, and significance in the cricketing world. 1. Narendra Modi Stadium, India. The Narendra Modi Stadium, previously known as the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Stadium, is located in Motera, Ahmedabad, India. This colossal stadium is the largest cricket stadium in the world, with a seating capacity of 132,000 spectators. Its immense size and state-of-the-art facilities make it a prime venue for international cricket matches, including tests, one-day internationals, and T20 matches. The original stadium was constructed in 1983 and had a seating capacity of around 54,000. It hosted numerous memorable matches, including the 1987, 1996, and 2011 World Cup matches. However, in 2015, the Gujarat Cricket Association (GCA) decided to demolish the old structure and build a new stadium with a much larger capacity and modern facilities. With 132,000 seats, it surpasses the Melbourne Cricket Ground to become the largest cricket stadium in the world. The stadium is equipped with LED lights instead of the traditional floodlights, providing a more uniform lighting experience and reducing energy consumption. 2. Melbourne Cricket Ground, Australia. The Melbourne Cricket Ground, commonly known as the MCG, is one of the most iconic cricket stadiums globally. Located in Melbourne, Australia, the MCG has a seating capacity of 124,000, making it the second largest cricket stadium in the world. It is often referred to as the spiritual home of Australian cricket and has a rich history that spans over 160 years. The MCG was established in 1853 and has undergone several renovations and expansions over the years to accommodate the growing number of spectators and to modernize its facilities. It has been the main stadium for several significant sporting events, including the 1956 Summer Olympics, the 2006 Commonwealth Games, and multiple ICC Cricket World Cups. With over 100,000 seats, it is the largest stadium in the Southern Hemisphere. The stadium features cutting-edge floodlighting that enables day-night matches and events. The MCG has hosted numerous historic matches. 3. Eden Gardens, India. Eden Gardens, located in Kolkata, India, is one of the oldest and most famous cricket stadiums in the world. With a seating capacity of 66,349, it is the third largest cricket stadium by capacity. Often referred to as the Mecca of Indian cricket, Eden Gardens has a rich history and is known for its passionate cricket fans. Established in 1864, Eden Gardens has witnessed numerous historic moments in cricket. It has undergone several renovations to enhance its facilities and increase its seating capacity. The most significant renovation occurred ahead of the 2011 Cricket World Cup, where the stadium was modernized extensively. With 66,349 seats, it provides an electric atmosphere for cricket matches. The stadium is equipped with state-of-the-art floodlights that enable day-night matches. The stadium has comprehensive practice facilities, including indoor nets and training areas. 4. Shahid Veer Narayan Singh International Cricket Stadium, India. Located in Raipur, Chhattisgarh, India, the Shahid Veer Narayan Singh International Cricket Stadium is one of the largest cricket stadiums in the world, with a seating capacity of 65,000. It is named after the Indian freedom fighter Veer Narayan Singh and serves as a major cricket venue in central India. The stadium was inaugurated in 2008 and has since become an important venue for domestic and international cricket matches. It has hosted several IPL matches and domestic tournaments, contributing to the growth of cricket in the region. With 65,000 seats, it is one of the largest stadiums in India. Playing surface, a well-maintained outfield and pitches that offer balanced contests between bat and ball. 5. Perth Stadium, Australia. Perth Stadium, commercially known as Optus Stadium, is located in Perth, Western Australia. With a seating capacity of 60,000, it is one of the largest and most modern cricket stadiums in the world. Opened in 2018, the stadium is a multi-purpose venue that hosts cricket, Australian rules football, rugby, and concerts. Optus Stadium was constructed to replace the WACA ground as the primary cricket venue in Perth. The stadium's construction began in 2014 and was completed in 2018, incorporating the latest in stadium design and technology. With 60,000 seats, it offers a fantastic atmosphere for sports and entertainment events. High-definition video screens, Wi-Fi connectivity, and modern sound systems enhance the spectator experience. Excellent public transport links, ample parking, and facilities for disabled access.